This is dope. Yeah. Oh, I thought you didn't even start the video yet. Dope. That's cool. Get the pretty colors. Wow. We're gonna do a lot of videos. Talk to the people. I can't. It just went wow. I gotta talk to them. I usually don't do. All right, guys, listen. Yeah. Well, I was talking. I don't know which video it was. It was like a video or two ago. I said my phone don't have it. Like there's a certain amount of time you can record, and so I don't know. Oh my God. I was saying there's a maximum recording time. I don't know how long that is, so you'll probably have no ending to a lot of the videos I post today or tomorrow. Oh, that was pretty colors. How you doing, Bottle? Bottle Rocket?
Just shoot up in the air.
Oh, yeah.
You want to shoot one out there and let's see it?
Yeah, we want to. It's going to be fun, eh?
No, they're not. They sell them everywhere. You shoot them out.
Bottle Rocket!
I don't care. Bottle Rocket.
Where those little sticks at? Watch it, Haley.
Some good.
Yeah.
Bottle Rocket.
What are these right here?
You know what they used to do with bottle rockets when they were young? They would take them, they would load it in there, they would make guns.
Y'all know what these right
We
here?
can't do yeah, you light them and then throw them.
Huh?
You light them and then throw them. Yeah, you do. You light them and then throw them. What are they?
Sure you throw these?
Yeah. Oh, yeah, you do. You throw them. Or you can...
Light them, then blow them.
Oh, not them. Oh, not them. I thought they were firecrackers. I do too.
As your mouth.
Firecrackers?
I got to read what these right here do.
Well, on firecrackers, you can lay them out in a row and then light them on fire and it goes...
I love that.
That's not what I do. We bought a gold one. Look, this is what I do.
Light this up again?
Yeah, light that one up again.
This is what I do. I tangle I'll wrap the fuses together and make a circle, like big circles in the road and stuff, and it doesn't
No, I'm
circle.
going to do it now.
Fireworks! They have these gold ones.
Baby, you want to sit down for
And
last?
we out at my
I
nanny's.
don't know what these are.
You know what we did? We took the big gold one. We laid it all the way across the yard. Bro, it almost called the house. Well, good first try. Yes, now we got good lighting. Wait, do we have good lighting? Yeah, kinda, barely. Look how bad the lighting actually is. Look how bad the lighting is. It's actually pretty good, kinda. We got more fireworks.
I stay right at the door.
I like that.
And guess what? Hey, if we see this up in the village, it's going to hurt.
Yeah, that's what you do.
I love that.
That's it?
Yeah. They're cool.
Haley, did you see this, Haley?
Can I throw one?
Haley. Haley. She's supposed to be.
Haley.
I'm about to tell you shit and go out there.
No, hold on, Nada.
Go right here a minute ago when I thought this. You want to see what this here goes? You want it? Go. That whole style. The kids down there, some of them though. They got to be more. Oh, that's so pretty. I'm holding that with that. It's shame. We don't come through somewhere.
Come on, let's go. Haley, come on.
Hey, it's actually going to let me go and pass the video amount. Really? How much is it? A lot. It's at $4.19. $4.19. It's pretty much a dark video. Yeah, but I like dark videos. They're mysterious. I like Quentin's videos. The one he live streamed last night. That was awesome. It was a good one. I put it in my car up there. What's up? Shout out to Tanner Brown and Quentin. Shut up. Shut up. I don't feel like shout out something else. Shout outs ain't my thing right now. Tanner Brown works good. No, Jake Paul. Jake Paul, yeah, Jake Paul.
She does too.
Subscribe to him. Look. I'm gonna throw you all in the air.
Brandon, you're just going to
Hey! Oh, he's about to. Got one right. It's a fountain. It's cool.
Shane, will you come adjust the TV for your
I was doing more.